Okay. So we're going to continue the hamstring stretches, lying down on your back, just rolling down, and bend your right leg up towards you. Martin, if you can keep your left leg bent, taking the right leg up into the air, that's it. Reach forward and grab the leg with both hands. Now, making sure that you keep a coin underneath the hip, so the hip doesn't lift right off the floor. Take a breath in to start, breathe out, bend the elbows towards the hip and down to the floor, holding the position, breathing in. Breathe out, bend a little further and flex the foot, so you're trying to get the heel to the wall above the head, pressing the hip into the ground. And keep breathing, a deep sigh out. Remember, if you feel it behind the knee, bend the knee slightly. Mel, if you can take your hands a little higher, if you have the flexibility to do so, take the hands up high, but make sure you keep pressing that hip down onto the floor and the tailbone is still on the coin. Breathing in and out, using the beeline. Great. If you do have flexibility, extend the leg all the way down to the floor. And Holly, if you can flex your foot a little bit more, that's it, to give it more of a stretch. Keep in mind bending the knee. Make sure the knee is coming to the shoulder, not to the nose, so you're not cutting across the body. One more breath, that's it. And change legs. Take the leg up into the air, making sure the other foot is 60 centimeters away from the backside or a right angle at the knee joint. Take a breath in to start. Breathe out, bending the elbows towards the hip and down to the floor, making sure the hip stays on a coin, pressing through the heel. Deep breath in through the nose, engage the beeline, breathing out. Just relax the hip joint as much as possible, so you're drawing the thigh to the rib cage, not the foot to the floor. And deeper breaths in through the nose. Close the rib cage to breathe out. Close the rib cage, and immediately you'll find that the abdominals work harder and your breathing is much louder. Into the armpits, so bend the elbows outwards to the sides a little bit, and that'll allow you to take a deeper breath in. Two more breaths in through the nose. Bring the leg in line with the shoulder. That's it. Lengthening through the crown of the head. And last one, deep breath out. Close the rib cage. Great. And relax.